Check this thing out, everybody. This is, you can see the description of it right here in the packaging. The material on this is ABS plastic. Cup diameter can be up to 4.1 inches. You know, it comes with a car coaster, which is this right here. It's got an arm bracket that comes out and holds the phone holder, and this is the item number Z2. Looking over it here, elastic buckle design, non-slip cushion in the middle. This thing looks awesome. 360 rotating phone holder. Let's just open it up. I have not looked at it here, but let's just go ahead and take it all out of the package and put it together. Let's see what all you get. Well, looks like that's everything in the box. So taking it out. Wow, that's actually a big cup holder. Look at the size of this cup holder. That's way bigger than I thought it was. You know, looks like you got a little piece right here. Okay, that's gonna go in there like that, I'm sure. Looking over here, you got the water body cup, the phone piece. Let me go ahead and figure out how to put this thing together, and then I'll come back and we'll see what you do. You take this piece, you use the supplied screw. It's a tapered screw. Take out this, and that goes down in there, and they give you a supplied screwdriver too. How awesome is that? And then this falls down in there like that, and this is actual the unit right here. So you can see if I want to like tighten it up, I just turn it, see what it does there, and if I want to loosen it, I turn it. It's locked in right here. And then this piece, you're just going to pop this phone holder piece on, adjust that, and then this will go right here on the side, just like that. See how that works? So see, it's in a cup holder right there. I have a cup holder in my van that I'm going to show y'all on. It just drops down in, and it puts the phone right there at my fingertips. So let's go ahead and let's see what it looks like while it's installed now. Look at that expansion on there. Hold it down a little bit. See how it's just going down in there? And then I turn it. Now I'm tightened up, and then I am all set. So I have a cup holder and a phone holder all in one. Goes like that. Tighten that up here by my side if I need to talk on it or make a quick call or something. It's all right here, contained nicely with a cup holder right here. Let me try it over here. So now it puts the phone, like I have my phone right here at my kneecap. So it's like not in the way, and I can kind of move it around so I can still access my gear shifter. But then I have the phone right here, and then I still have a big cup holder right here. I actually like this thing a lot, and I will be using it because I like having my phone at my fingertips right there. Whether it's pulling up music or pulling up something, you can easily use it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, the car cup holder with phone mount, rotating arm bracket, 360. See y'all in the next video.